Hi guys, and welcome to U-Wrench. If you've got a Dodge Grand Caravan and you've got your change oil light or your oil maintenance light flashing away at you, this is the video you need. I'm going to show you how to reset it. Let's do it.
So when you first put your key in and you turn it on or start the engine, it'll come up with this notification after just a few seconds. That will say change oil. There we go, change oil. And this is the exact notification that we're going to get rid of today in this video. So what you want to do is put the key in the ignition and turn it to the second position. This is the one before the engine starts, and within 10 seconds you need to press the accelerator 3 times. 1, 2, 3, then turn it off. Remove the key, pop it back in, and we should now have cleared the code. So let's check. And as we can see, there is no code coming up, so we have now cleared the code. So that is how you clear the change oil code for the Dodge Grand Caravan. We hope you found this video useful. If so, be sure to please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.